Yes, I've been the customer relations manager with the company for over 12 years. The company itself is the WMS, so it's software for warehousing. We've been around for over 30 years. It's Australian owned, Australian supported, with a number of different industries from FMCG to food and liquor. Look, we don't have any. Look, we've got small ones with small sized warehouses to big things and different products as well, like I said, from food, liquor. And we have one of our customers, Bluescope, who's got 20-ton stills that we to us it doesn't matter as long as it's properly tagged and identified within its journey within the warehouse. Look, today's a little bit slower, but overall it's been good. Yeah, a good cross-section of different people, I guess, good quality people, which we get. A lot of networking as well to potential partnerships or people within the industry, I guess, who don't necessarily want to buy our product, but just are interested in it, and vice versa. And it's been very interesting, the automation part of it, which is a bit of a drawing, I think, to people, just out of an interest more than anything else.